Hey, it's Jennifer Galloway, and I wanted to introduce you to my new listing here at 677 Windward in the Oceanside development of Eagle Crest. It is the only unit with a full walkout lower level, so it's got tons of space and lots to offer. Check it out.